Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about how a parking payment machine works in a simple step-by-step way. First, when a driver arrives at a parking area, they park the vehicle in a marked parking bay and read the instructions shown on the parking payment machine screen. These instructions explain what information is needed, what payment methods are accepted, and how the parking time will be confirmed. Next, the driver enters the parking space number using the keypad or touchscreen. This number helps the system connect the payment to the correct vehicle location, so parking officers can later verify that the right space has been paid for. After that, the driver selects the parking duration. For example, the machine may show options like 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, or 3 hours. As the driver chooses the time, the machine automatically calculates and displays the total cost. Then, the machine asks the driver to choose a payment method. Depending on the machine, the driver may pay by card, coins, or mobile payment. This makes the process convenient because different users can pay in the way that suits them best. Now, the driver makes the payment. If using a card, they tap or insert it into the card reader. If using coins, they insert the required amount into the coin slot. For mobile payment, the driver follows the on-screen instructions to complete the transaction. Once the payment is made, the machine securely processes the transaction. Behind the scenes, it checks and authorizes the payment, then sends encrypted transaction details to the parking server. This includes information such as the space number, paid time, payment amount, and expiry time. After the payment is approved, the machine prints a parking ticket. This ticket usually shows the parking space number, start time, expiry time, date, and amount paid. The driver collects the ticket from the printer slot. Next, the driver places the ticket on the dashboard where it is clearly visible from outside the vehicle. This allows parking officers to check the ticket quickly and confirm that the parking session is valid. At the same time, the parking system updates its record. This helps enforcement staff verify paid parking in real time, either by checking the physical ticket or by using digital parking records connected to the server. Finally, the driver can enjoy the parking time without needing a cashier or manual assistance. When the parking time is finished and the driver leaves the area, no extra action is usually needed unless the parking needs to be extended. So, in simple words, a parking payment machine works by collecting the parking space number, calculating the selected parking time, accepting payment, printing a ticket, and updating the parking record securely. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.